In phase 2 of the mini challenge for Grayson for the last 3 spots in the LeBron Contenders Cracked Ice Challenge. Live. Screen is possessed. Maddie to Scott is our list, and putting that in the randomizer at 8:53 PM local time. We have Maddie on top, Scott on the bottom. Dice roller 2 dice, no snake eyes. And we are going 9 times. Good luck. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times for hanging on top. One more time, 8:54. Congrats, dude. Spot 1, it's Maddie picking up. Had to go 9 times, did go 9 times. Verification code at the bottom. Maddie on top. Spot 1, picking up the last spots in the main. Congrats. Challenge complete.